So guys, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you run this, you want to type in regsvr32 space my como bject.dll and click on enter. Now this should fix your problem, but if not, then you want to search up this DLL file online and then you want to put it into your systems.Works folder. I'm going to show you to do that right now. But if this is fix your problem, then you want to restart your computer and then you should be good to go. If that's not working, then you want to head over to the link which I'll leave down below in the description to download object.dll. You want to scroll down and then click on download. Now once that's been downloaded, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. You want to go into your downloads folder and then you want to find the object zip file. You want to double click on it and then you want to find the object.dll. You want to right click on it and then click on copy and then you want to scroll down on the left side and then click on this PC and then click on your C drive or wherever you have Windows installed on and then click on Windows and then you want to scroll down and then click on System32 and then you want to paste the DLL file into here. So right click and then click on paste. Continue. And then once you do that, now you want to click on Windows and then you want to scroll down again and then click on sysfile64. Double click on this folder and do the same thing. Right click and then click on paste. Continue. And now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.